Hello guys and welcome back to our channel Rescue Digital Media. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix a device which does not exist with specified error with best ways. But before we get started, like, subscribe and ring the bell icon to get notified when our new video lands. Now, let's move on to fix a device which does not exist with specified error with 4 best fixes. Solution 1. Disconnect and reconnect the removable drive. Try unplugging the drive from your system and connecting it to a different USB port. Also, ensure to use the USB cable that came with the hard drive for optimal compatibility. Solution 2. Enable full control permission for the drive. Insufficient permission to access a drive can trigger a device which does not exist with specified error. To fix this, you must obtain full control over the problematic drive in Windows. To do so, you have to locate the problematic drive, right-click on it, and open its properties. Next, Security. Then Edit. Now, choose your username from the list, and select Full Control under the Allow option given beside Permissions for User. Finally, click Apply then OK. Solution 3. Change the drive letter. Windows automatically assigns a letter to the drive when the hard drive is connected to the system. However, if the drive letter that is showing up on the error message mismatches with the drive letter in File Explorer or Disk Management, you may likely receive the error. To fix it, you'd need to change the drive letter manually. To do so, press Windows plus X and select Disk Management from the list of options. Now, look for the drive you're facing the error with, right-click on it, and select Change Drive Letter and Paths. Now, click Change to change the drive letter. Select Assign the following drive letter, and choose from the drop-down list. After selecting the drive letter, click OK to confirm. Now, retry and see if the issue is fixed. Solution 4. Perform CHKDSK to repair the disk. You can use CHKDSK to solve a device which does not exist with specified error. For this, press Windows plus R keys to open the execution window. Then type CMD and select Run as System Administrator. In the command prompt window, type CHKDSK/F/R and hit Enter. Note that the C in the command can be replaced with an unreachable volume letter. Don't worry if you get a message that CHKDSK cannot be executed. Just press the Y key and the disk will be checked the next time you start your computer and repaired if any disk errors are found. So, this is all about fixing a device which does not exist with specified error. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.